All right, so this is why you can't trust somebody just because they've been in business for 10, 12, 13 years. Well, they don't even know how long they've been in business. But I'm going to show y'all about a 3-second clip, and then I'm going to tell y'all what he says that's incorrect. I'll give you a hint. It's about the Capital One account. But how can you be in business doing credit repair for this long and not know the difference between, well, I can't give it away, so let's just check it out.
These deletions here. Capital One Bank, this is a collection.
Right. Did you see what he said there? He said Capital One and he said collection account. Capital One is the original creditor, not a debt collector trying to collect on behalf of Capital One. I'm sorry, this is hilarious. Don't fall for these scammers, y'all. They don't even know what they're talking about. Like, how can you supposedly be in business for 10, 12, 13 years, I don't know, remember, and not know that Capital One is a charge-off, not a collection? Maybe somebody can put in the comments and let me know how that works.